Alrighty guys, welcome to the vlog. Now, it's early. It's like 7:30 in the morning, 8 o'clock. And while I'm already driven 60 miles to get here, look what I did.
Look at this skate park.
This is better than Knoxville's.
Those are really cool right here.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to get our chalk.
Oh, yeah. There, look at that.
Nice. There's just some graffiti art right there. And it'll wash off in the rain. Can't get in trouble with this.
There we go. And don't worry. That's chalk. That is not paint. That's good old chalk, and it will come off as soon as it rains. Oh, here's another one. This is a skate park. This is called Fountain City Skate Park on East Knoxville. My wife is doing another one. This is a really cool skate park, though. It's small. It's more of a street park here. And we are headed to Imes Nature Center. Okay, guys, we did make it. It is not raining. Welcome to the vlog. This is iJam's Nature Center. Let's see what the sign says. It is no lifeguard on duty. Swim at your own risk. Now, I will show you the designated area of swimming. It's just a little place they have roped off over here. And if you look real close, you can probably see the fishies in there. There's probably a fish in there somewhere. But right here, if you look right here, right there, you see they have it roped off to swim. And this is the quarry. Are you ready for this? Look. Look at the wall over there. Look over there. See that this rope right here is your swimming area, and it's a beautiful area. Right over there, it looks like somebody has painted graffiti. I wish I could clean that off, but it's a beautiful quarry. So let's see what it looks like from the sky.
So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
You can probably hear the drone. Hear those crickets. Love that sound. Look at that. That is a great bike trail. I don't know if my cruiser will make it. See the bike tracks. I don't know if this is like intermediate, beginner. They've got maps for you to check out. Look, there's a little trail that can take you up there. You hear it? He's having a ball up there. The drone collector. Pretty cool. So I'm walking around to try to find out how to get to the top of that abandoned building. Well, not abandoned building, but old concrete slabs that were we just at, or we just were. And look, I've had to go around because I can't walk through that. I'll get poison ivy. Deathly allergic. Oh, look at that. Okay, I understand. That's a Swift tower. That's pretty neat.
Guys, listen, me and my son, or my sons, my wife and I, we all ride BMX bikes. This is made for mountain biking. Look at these trails. I mean, you can't really tell because of the camera, but these are jumps right here. And the elevation change is amazing. And this, Knoxville is well known for mountain bike trails. There's 2 trails this way. Look at them, Zaya. We got to get mountain bikes. Look at this. Look at this. Holy cow. We got to get mountain bikes there. Look at this. Oh, man. Oh my God. See, we can't ride BMX back here. There's no way. Yeah, but mountain bikes, for sure. Okay, I'm turning around. Now I'm going to take you up to the, I'm going to have to park the car and get out and walk just a second. Show you these rope courses and everything they have here. It's really cool to have this here. I didn't even know about it, and it's just out here in the wilderness, and so much fun. Now, the reason I'm doing this is mountain bike trails. Or no, this isn't mountain bike, this is all bikes. Can't think really good, guys, because I don't have brakes. My son is supposed to be right behind me. I don't know what happened to him. So I don't, trying to ride my bike down this hill with no brakes, but the rope course is right here. This is what I came to show you, right here. Okay, the pathway goes down here. It goes all over. This is a 300-acre park, and if you look up here, there's places you walk. See them? Walk across there. There's a rope course up there, and if you see all the ropes, and then there's a big thing over there that somebody's in, and then way over there, there's ropes. It's really cool. I don't know if you have to pay and tie off or what to pay. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, my mind's boggled, but it says Element Clip Lock Clear, and then you go. Now this is iJams. I think it's pronounced Imes, but it's the Nature Center in South Knoxville. Oh, look. There he is, walking across the tightrope right there, see? Right there. He got across. Really cool. If I would have known this was here before school started back, I would have brought the boys, but I didn't. I will tell you this, guys, this place is, oh, you know what, there's a house right over there. It's private property. I don't know if somebody used to own this area and then sold it to Imes, but right over here in the middle of the woods and all this stuff is a house. Let me show it to you. Look. People live there. Oh, it's right on the street out there. Okay, this might be the owners. I'm not sure, but it's private property right in the middle of this nature center. Okay, guys, what I was talking about earlier was this place is really built for mountain bikes. It's definitely not built for BMX bikes. You need shocks and everything. So, I showed you the quarry. I showed you the rope course. Okay, I'm gonna walk right through here because they have this little garden area too that I'm gonna show you. Alright, Alice's Garden and Greenhouse. Alice Jo Imes lived on the home site west from here from 1910 until 1964. Wow. Solar power. Oh, these are all solar panels. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And then here is the bug. Welcome to the bug bungalow. Wow. Think of it as a bug, insect, or spider hotel. Who wants to go into the spider hotel with me? You want to go in there? Okay. Let's take a last look at the free world before I go into the spider hotel. We hope that when the insects take over the world, they will remember with gratitude how we took them along on all our pictures. I don't know what this is, guys, but holy cow. Look at that. Ladybugs, bugs everywhere, guys. It's really warm in here. Spiders and bugs everywhere. Look at that thing. Yeah. That thing right there is just... Oh, there's a frog right there. Right there, watch. See him? Awesome, awesome frog. I love it. There are bugs everywhere, guys. Uh-oh. Ooh, ants and bugs. Oh my goodness. This place is scary. It is scary in here, guys. I am legitimately scared. I'm allergic to honeybees, so I don't know if there's any of those in here, but there's a lot of bugs. Uh-oh. Bees, honeybees that live in the hives nearby often. Uh-oh. I'm allergic to honeybees, and I want you to look. To collect pollen. Nope, you gotta go. Butterflies and bugs everywhere. Skinks and salamanders. Everywhere. Everything. I don't know, you guys may see something that I don't in these pictures because... Okay. Go back out. Yeah, that's where all the bugs... Oh, look at this guy. It's a moth. Watch. Pretty cool moth, huh? There's all kinds of bugs. Something on the outside right there. Or you can see them from here. Look at that. Okay. When you walk out of there, when you walk out of that thing, it feels like air conditioned. Look at the glisten on my arm just from being in there. Alright, we walk further this way. Guys, when I said this was going to be a great vlog, I really wasn't too sure about what I was going to see because I had never been here before. Drive a car, plant a tree. So, I don't know. Oops. Guys, I don't know if I over-exaggerated how nice it is here, or if you can tell on camera, but it is absolutely beautiful. But I am definitely going to have to get a mountain bike. Definitely. Water. Water. Beautiful. Guys, this is a beautiful thing. Look, you put your water bottle there and it fills it up. Isn't that magnificent? I don't know how many people know this about me, but I own one of them, a hot dog cart. I own a hot dog cart. I'll show it to you one day. There's where the IMS starts, the major trails and everything. So, now we go this way. Oh, let's see what he's doing. Beautiful music, isn't it? He's just sitting and playing right next to the visitor center sign. What a nice Sunday.